How to verify your PayPal account. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an essential tutorial on how to verify your PayPal account in 2024. Verifying your account not only increases your transaction limits, but also enhances your account security. Let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and head over to paypal.com. Log into your account using your email address and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Once you're logged in, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to open your account settings, and this is where you'll manage all aspects of your PayPal account, including verification. PayPal will usually require you to verify your email address first, so check your inbox for a verification email from PayPal. Open the email and click the confirmation link or write the code, and this will confirm that you're on the email address associated with your account. Next, you'll need to link your bank account for verification. In the account settings, select Banks and Cards and click Link a bank account. Enter your bank details and follow the prompts. PayPal will make 2 small deposits into your bank account, and this process may take a few days. Once you see those deposits, return to PayPal and navigate back to the Banks and Cards section. Click on Confirm Bank and enter the amounts of the 2 deposits to complete the verification process. Another verification step involves confirming your phone number. So in your account settings, find the phone section and click Add Phone Number. If you haven't already, enter your phone number and select Call or Text for verification. PayPal will send you a code and enter that code to verify your phone. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation email from PayPal indicating that your account has been verified. You can also check your account status in the settings to confirm that all necessary verification are complete. Bear in mind that this whole process may take a few business days to finish. And that's it. Your PayPal account is now verified, allowing you to send and receive money without any limits. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and thanks for watching.